How to set Samsung keyboard to open Samsung voice input or Google Voice typing on the Samsung Galaxy S25 series. First, tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. And from the home screen, swipe down at the top, then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we then scroll down, and from here, tap on General Management. After that, tap on Samsung keyboard settings. Now from here, we then scroll down and then tap on voice input. From here, you could choose Samsung voice input or Google voice typing or none. So select one of the available options and then tap on the home button to return back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.